Hello chaps, and welcome back to Tino Detailing. Today we have this 2021 BMW M Sport in for an in-and-out clean. Also, straight after this one we have another 2021 Audi RS6. So let's check out the condition. As you can see, the BMW has definitely seen better days, and the wheels are quite caked too. The interior is also not in the best of conditions either, so let's get started. I use a air blower to blow out any loose dust and dirt down to the ground. So chaps, not all carpets are the same. Some are super easy to hoover as they just release the dirt, while others like this one here cling on to the dirt, so I have to use a bristle brush to help me out. Just look at these other carpets and how easily they are vacuumed. Let's get to work on these wheels. Take a look at them as they are in for a crazy transformation. Time for the Tino coloured snow foam. If you'd like to order some coloured snow foam, then head over to the Tino Car Care website. Look how satisfying that looks. Be sure to subscribe for more and turn on that notification bell to not miss an upload. I'm going to let the snow foam sit on the BMW for a couple of minutes to loosen and drag down the dirt, providing that perfect pre-wash. Let's rinse off the snow foam. Look at those grills. Let me know what you guys think of this new type of BMW and if you're a fan of BMW in general. Now I use my mitts to wash the BMW M Sport. The ultra soft detail brush is used to get into the badges and tight parts where the mitts can't reach. Time for the Tino ceramic snow foam to easily apply protection to the entire exterior of the car. no, my pressure washer hose just blew.
Get the case here.
Let's get out my spare pressure washer, but I don't seem to have a pressure washing attachment. But we must continue. So now, if we don't do something, we won't be able to do the Audi RS6. But anyways chaps, we will see what happens. But just look at how the car is beading. And look how easy it is now to drive the car once it is protected. Head over to the Tino car care store to pre-order the Tino ceramic snow foam and secure yourself a bowl as they are running out fast. I also use the air blower to get water out of the little tight spots. Time for the windows as I give them that streak-free finish. With the windows finished, I move on to the interior. Chaps, the steering wheel is always being touched with your hands, so it is best to give it a deep clean regularly. Here I use a Tino scrub pad with an interior cleaner. Now chaps, let's move on to the door shuts and then do a final check. To finish off, I shine the tyres.
Okay chaps, we had a couple of minor setbacks, but we managed to get the job done to perfection, so have a look at the results.
Check out these amazing results. The gloss is also insane. Now chaps, we need to replace the jet wash hose which has burst. The problem is, it will take us 1 hour to drive to the pressure washer mechanics and 1 hour to get back to London. So there's a big possibility that we might miss out on the Audi RS6 as it needs to be ready as soon as possible. So let's waste no time and make our way to get the pressure washer hose fixed.
Okay chaps, so we've just got the hose replaced here at Town and Country pressure washers. So let's check it out. It's all good. Hello chaps, we've just replaced the jet wash hose, and it looks like we have enough time for the Audi RS6. Well, as you can see, the weather's not looking too good.
Hopefully there's no traffic jams or anything to slow us down, as this could mean we don't get to see the Audi.
Audi RS6 in for in now clean. So let's get started, boys. So chaps, this car, it looks like it's in good condition, but I have noticed the wheels, they need a good little clean. As you can see, it's got a bit of muck on there.
So let's get to work on these spokes, beginning with a good pressure wash. Range of different brushes to get all of the areas in and around the wheels and give them that perfect finish. Be sure to give this video a like if you're enjoying it. Time for the snow foam. Snow foam is just so enjoyable and satisfying. Definitely one of my favourite parts of the job. Let's rinse off the snow foam. Honestly chaps, what a stunning car. Which car would you prefer? This Audi or the BMW we did earlier? Time to hand wash this masterpiece using my mitts. I like to do the upper portion first, then the lower portion. Listen to this beast. Now that the RS6 has been reversed, we have a new angle on the wheels and will pressure wash the entire vehicle. The Audi RS6 is a car that gets a lot of attention. It's a real head turner. Just look at those lights. Now chaps, time for the Tino ceramic snow foam. Just look how it is starting to bead off already. Looks awesome. Now take a look at that insane protection. Chaps, to make sure you don't miss out on this amazing product, be sure to pre-order it on the Tino Car Care website as it will be released very soon. Just look how easy it is to drive the car now. Let's now do the vacuum. So chaps, the winner of last week's giveaway is Tino Detailing. This bottle of Tino Green Snow Foam, which is the first ever bottle, will be sent your way. I hope you enjoy it. I now do the windows before moving on to finish the rest of the interior, bringing it back to life. Honestly chaps, doing the interior of a car is very relaxing. Don't see it as a chore, but enjoy the process. Okay chaps, time for the Tino giveaway. If you would like to win 5 of these Tino Edgeless Blue Ultra Soft and Plush Microfiber cloths, then all you need to do is like, comment and subscribe, and the winner will be chosen at random so that each and everybody has a fair chance of winning. Now chaps, I do the door shots. Let's finish off the paint work of this beast with the Tino Exterior Detailer to boost gloss and protection levels. And finally chaps, we finish with the wheels as we shine the tyres. Okay chaps, we're all finished for today. Let's have a look at the results. Look at that. Thankfully we didn't miss out on this amazing car. The results have come out great too. Okay chaps, that's all for today. Here's 2 more videos I think you would like.